Okay. I'm in an urban era, and I bet you've been wondering what's been happening with the Alta. So a more official, longer form video will come out covering the whole process of the move and the rebuild. But I just wanted to tee in and show you what I've been actually working on today. So I had to literally saw the layout into quarters to move it into this new space. And it's left me with some really rough edges and some really small issues here and there. So I've been taking little spatulas and box cutters and flat-bladed X-Acto knives to clean up all of the mating surfaces for all the track. And today I'm doing a test fit to see if I can actually join at least this half of the layout together, so I can at least have 2/3 of the layout in one piece tonight glued together. So far, progress has been pretty good. I've just been using new fresh sheets of blue styrene foam to rejoin the parts of the layout together and kind of keystone it back together. So that's been going fairly well. Hopefully we'll get the layout running early this summer. But this is another thing that I've been working on recently. And here we are, just about an hour later, we've glued the whole thing back together using a variety of little skewer sticks, some of the weld bond to hold the glue together, and a hot glue gun to tack weld it in place so the weld bond can actually make a nice strong bond. I've actually found that using hot glue is a fantastic way to tack weld things in place quickly if you need something that takes long times to set, because this weld bond takes 24 hours to completely set. But it does really hold the blue foam together. So we'll check in with this tomorrow in another update and see how it went.